Did you know that jaw clicking sounds 10 times louder in your head than it does to anyone else? That weird popping noise when you yawn isn't just in your imagination. Your jaw has a tiny disc that acts like a cushion between two bones. Sometimes this disc slips out of place and snaps back when you open your mouth. It's like a rubber band flicking against your skull. Here's the crazy part. The sound travels through bone directly to your inner ear, making it seem super loud to you while others barely hear anything. That's why you think everyone notices your jaw clicking, but they probably don't. Most clicking is totally normal, but if it hurts or your jaw gets stuck, that's when you should worry. Stress makes it worse because you clench your teeth without realizing it. Quick fix, gently massage the muscles right in front of your ears and avoid chewing gum. Fun fact, jaw tension can actually cause headaches because these muscles connect to your temples. Some people have perfectly shaped jaw joints and never click, while others inherited slightly different anatomy that makes clicking inevitable.